Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel Aircraft Talk with Oliver. Today I'm going to explain the duties and the responsibilities of aircraft maintenance engineer on arrival and on departure. This explanation is based on my 30 years of aviation experience as an aircraft maintenance engineer and holder of license in UK CAA Group 55 UK, FA USA, Aeronautical Diploma USA, trained in Rolls-Royce UK, twice engine boroscope inspection approval holder from UK, high power and approval holder, trained in GAMCO, trained in South America, repair station for 1 year full time, pushback license holder, Airbus approval holder, mechanical engineering from Katubed campus, ex-airman, license holder of DGCA Oman, GCAA license from UAE. Worked in many international airports, engineer in charge of Heavy Lift International Airline and Expo Air. Type rated for many aircraft including Airbus, Group 55 holder, license from UK, boroscope approval and trained in UK. Now let us talk about the duties and responsibilities of aircraft maintenance engineer on arrival and on departure. When aircraft arrival and stopped by the marshaller, as an engineer approach the aircraft, connect headset, inform the crew that chocks in position, please release the brakes. Leave headset insert the ground lock. No need to insert the main gear ground locks because it's a short transit. Then the first thing you have to do is check the brakes. Is it red hot? Is it smoking? Then call air conditioning unit and cool it down. Otherwise, ignore it. Then carry out walk around inspection starting from nose radome, nose area, wheel, both tires. Along right side, wing leading edge, tip tail linkage, aileron including static wings, flaps back to right side. Backs on tires, check the brakes unit with the wear indicator pin if it is permit or if it is within limit. In short transit, inform the other sector to replace it if it is badly worn and if your station do not have a brake unit, and to prevent jamming it on next landing. Explain to the crew that active that brake unit by removing hydraulic. Explain the crew situation, and by removing hydraulic line to unit, blanket, tight it to the other line, you can deactivate it. Then the crew not go for heavy brakes application and use runaway full length to slow down with full flaps. Inform everything to next sector to replace the brake unit. Do not make log entry because it is not allowed. Flight crew and engineer, pilot will definitely accept it because he doesn't want to delay the aircraft. After inspection of both nose, wheel, go right side, starboard wing, leading edge, trailing edge, aileron and static wings, flaps back to oleo and types check of heavy cuts in tires and limits. Slight wetness on oleo is accepted when you compare both sides of the oleos. One side extension may be lower. Ignore this. This is due to a shaft turning on one side and due to no time for recoiling. Check oleo grounding cable for length. You can extend or you can replace it. Go to tail, leading edge, elevator, rudder, static wings, complete right side, same inspection for left side. By the time crew will come down, completing their arrival checks, talk to them, ask them about the aircraft. If they say okay, go to cockpit, check tech log if they have written as nil defect. By the time mechanic will check engine oil and APU oil level. Engine oil level has to be checked within 5 minutes of arrival and enter any oil uplifting tech log. Do check the tire pressure because you won't get the correct tire pressure due to heat expansion. In cabin, inside, check all seats for reclining mechanism, meal trays for damage, Replace any dilapidated cabin instruction safety cards. Check all overhead lockers. Check all seat bottom cushion covers and replace if necessary. Check the cabin defect lock for any entry. Now check all toilets for proper operation. Check the toilet smoke detector for condition. Toilet lock operation for illumination of red and green lights. Any excess water spillage in toilet floor to prevent impending corrosion condition. Now prepare for departure. After checking and signing in TechLog pre-flight column, your signature got big value and big weight. That is aircraft inspected, no defect or rectified, accepted for next flight. Make sure oil caps properly secured, all step removed, tow bar and tow tug connected, disconnect rock link, insert the steering bypass pin and nose gear lock pin. You have to set for departure. Inform cockpit, the explanation remove, please release the brakes for towing purposes. For a suitable place, stop the towed aircraft with nose wheel in a straight position. Tell pilot to apply brakes, disconnect tow tug, tow bar, connect rock links. You can move upper rock links. If required, you can assist with the steering cable if required. Remove steering pin, bypass pin, nose gear rock link, connect rock link. This show it from left side from the captain at safe distance. Salute the pilot for safe journey. As an engineer, you have done your duty. Thank you very much. Please like, subscribe for this one.